ऑर्गेनिक नेमिंग रिएक्शंस पढ़ेंगे आज हम। इनके नोट्स पहले पीडीएफ के थ्रू भेजे जा चुके हैं, परंतु इसको कुछ समझाने के लिए आज का वीडियो बनाया गया है। कुछ रिएक्शंस है, इसमें सबसे पहली रिएक्शन हम जो लेंगे वो हॉफमैन लॉफलर फ्रेटिक रिएक्शंस। In this reaction, N-haloamines having hydrogen on delta carbon give this reaction. Solution of halogenated amine in strong acid is warmed or irradiated in UV light, then alpha halogenated amine is formed. Oxidation takes place at unactivated delta carbon having hydrogen. This is N-haloamines having hydrogen on delta carbon. When warmed with strong acid or irradiated in UV light, then this reaction is going on and the halogen is coming on delta carbon and hydrogen is substituted at the place of halogen. Hypohalite also gives similar reactions. For example, if you take the example of hypohalite and irradiated in UV light, then we obtain also the same product, that hydrogen, a delta carbon replaced by halogen. Initially, it is a intramolecular free radical reactions, then by intermolecular nucleophilic substance, pyrrolidine derivative obtains. Initially, it is intramolecular free radical reactions. If we take example of N halogenated amine warmed with concentrated H2SO4 or irradiated in UV light, then we obtained pyrrolidine. If we want to see the mechanism of this reaction, अगर हम इस अभिक्रिया का क्रियाविधि जानना चाहते हैं तो सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि जब N हेलो एमीन्स को कंसनट्रेट एसिड के साथ, कंसनट्रेट H2SO4 के साथ वार्म किया जाता है, गर्म किया जाता है, तो we obtained N plus this type of ion, which on homolytic cleavage give this ion, and chlorine free radical is removed. In this ion, again homolytic cleavage takes place and we obtained methylene free radical, which react with free halogen radical and give the product, and this product on OH, in presence of OH minus or in basic conditions, remove H2O and form the final product. This is called Hofmann-Lofter fatigue reactions. Similarly, we take another reaction, which is called Barton reaction. Photolysis of organic nitrites having hydrogen on delta carbon give nitrous alcohol. This reaction is similar to the previous reactions. In this reaction, oxidation takes place at unreacted delta carbon having at least one hydrogen. पहले की तरह ही समान अभिक्रिया है ये भी, कि डेल्टा कार्बन पे जब एक हाइड्रोजन होना आवश्यक है और उसी पर ये रिएक्शन होती है, और इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ फोटोलिसिस मीन प्रेजेंस ऑफ प्रकाश अपघटन होता है, इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ लाइट अभिक्रिया होती है. फोटोलिसिस एक्सट्रैक्ट हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम डेल्टा कार्बन and resulting alkyl radical combined with nitric oxide radical liberated in photolysis to give a nitroso compound. Nitroso compound tautomerizes to oxime, which on hydrolysis produce carbonyl compounds. First of all, we take alpha H containing alcohol. When this alpha H containing alcohol react with NOCl, nitrosyl chloride, then we obtained nitroso compound, or we can say delta H containing nitrite ester. This delta H containing nitrite ester, when irradiated in light or then second step hydrolyzed, then we obtained delta carbonyl compounds. So the Delta hydrogen is converted to carbonyl group. Again, we can see the mechanism of this reaction. We take alcohol react with NOCl, then delta nitrosoester is obtained, which on irradiated give homolytic cleavage and form radical and nitrosyl radical, oxygen radical and nitrosyl radical. This radical form a cyclic tension state. This cyclic tension state again convert to methylene free radical, which on react with nitrosyl radical gives the nitroso compound, which tautomerizes to oxy. This oxime on acidic hydrolysis gives delta carbonyl compound. This method is used in synthesis of aldosterone 2,21 acetate. So we study two reactions and more reactions are अब अगली जो अभिक्रियाएं हैं रिएक्शंस हैं वो हम अगले वीडियो लेक्चर में पढ़ेंगे। फर्स्ट चैप्टर है ये ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री पेपर थर्ड का सेमेस्टर थर्ड के लिए उसकी लिए अब अगले लेक्चर में आप पढ़ेंगे हम क्या अगली नेमिंग रिएक्शंस। ओके।